Programmable 5G is here, powering a new era of digital experiences and unlocking unprecedented business efficiencies. It's a game changer for mobile operators and enterprises alike. But to truly monetize the enterprise market, mobile operators need a seamless way to expose, author, and customize network APIs. The challenge? Navigating multiple standards, vendors, and enterprise requirements. Standardization efforts like Camara provide a great foundation, but real success demands more. Custom APIs tailored to specific industries and regions. Success isn't just about API exposure. It requires seamless integration with OSS and BSS systems across multi-vendor networks. This is where Shabodi NetAware stands alone. Our patent-pending platform is the only solution that provides everything needed to lead in the network API economy: exposure, transformation, authoring, aggregation, and monetization. Leading operators are already leveraging Shabodi NetAware for enabling a range of enterprise use cases, such as smart manufacturing, modern airports, and connected stadiums, allowing secure network invocation based on identity, fraud prevention, geolocation-based services, quality on demand, and more. Only NetAware delivers standards-based API exposure across GSMA, 3GPP, TM Forum, and Camara. Patent-pending transformation capabilities for rapid API customization. Custom API authoring for industry-specific and regional opportunities. Automated usage metering for seamless billing integration. The result? Complete control over your API strategy. Unlock new industrial and consumer applications. Explore diverse monetization models. Seamlessly support multi-tenant, multi-network, and multi-vendor environments. Shabodi enables your API journey. Let's build the future together.